9월 9일 7시 35분.
Unit 18. The Four Seasons.
In many places, the
In
weather
many
changes
places,
with
the
each
weather
season.
changes with each season.
There are four seasons.
There are four
spring,
seasons:
summer,
spring, summer,
fall, and
fall,
winter.
and winter.
In spring,
In
the
spring,
weather gets
the weather
warmer.
gets warmer.
Most plants begin to grow.
Most plants grow.
In some places,
Most plants
it rains a
begin to
lot
grow.
during spring.
Some places
In summer, the weather is usually
it rains
very
a lot
hot.
during spring.
It is
In
the
summer,
warmest
the
season
weather
of the
is
year.
usually very hot.
The days in
It is the
summer are
warmest
long,
season of
so
the
there are
year.
many hours of sunlight.
Of the year, the
When
days
fall
in
comes,
summer
the
are long,
weather
so
gets
there are
cooler.
many hours of
The
sunlight.
leaves change
When
colors
fall
and
comes,
fall off the
the
trees.
weather gets cooler.
Winter
the
is
leaves
the
change
coldest
colors
season of the
and
year.
fall off the trees.
In
Winter
some
is the
places,
coldest
it snows
season
a
of
lot
the year.
during winter.
In some places,
Also,
it
the
snows
days
a
in
lot
winter are
during
short.
winter. Also, the days
So there are
in
few
winter
hours
are
of
short.
daylight during winter.
So there are few hours of daylight during winter.
Unit 19. What can you see in the sky? On a clear night, go
On a
outside
clear
and
night,
look up in the sky.
Go outside and
You
look
can
up in the
probably
sky.
see
You
many
can probably
objects.
go see many
The
objects.
biggest object in
The
the night
biggest
sky
object in
is
the
the
night
moon.
sky is the moon.
The moon is a huge ball of
The
rock
moon is a
that moves
huge
around
ball of
Earth.
rock that moves around
You
the
can
earth.
see
Around
hundreds of
Earth.
tiny
You can see
stars
hundreds
also.
of tiny stars also.
Actually,
A star is a
huge
huge ball of hot gases.
Stars look tiny
Stars look tiny because they are so
so
far away from Earth.
Most stars can be seen
Most
only
stars
at night.
can be seen only
In
at
the
night.
daytime,
In the
sunlight
daytime,
is so bright that
The
you
sunlight
cannot see
is
them.
so bright that you
But
cannot
they
see
are
them.
still there.
But they are still
During
there.
the day,
During
you
the
will see
day,
the sun.
you will see the sun.
Do you know that the
Do you know that
is
the
a
sun
star?
is a star?
It looks so bright and
It looks
big
so bright and
because
big
it is the
because
closest
it is
star
the
to Earth.
closest star to Earth.
Unit 20. What causes day and night?
Each day, the
Each
sun
day,
seems
the
to
sun
rise
seems
in
to
the morning
rise in
and
the
set at
morning
night.
and set at night.
But the sun is not really
But the
moving.
sun is not
Earth
really
is
moving.
moving.
Earth is moving.
Earth rotates.
Earth rotates.
To rotate,
To rotate means to spin
like a
around
top.
like a top.
It takes 24
It takes
hours
24
for
hours
Earth to
for
rotate one
Earth
time.
to rotate one time.
One rotation is 1 day.
One rotation is one
Earth's
day.
rotation
Earth's rotation causes day and night.
Earth is shaped
Earth
like
is
a
shaped
ball.
like a ball.
As Earth rotates,
As
there
Earth
is sunlight
rotates,
where
there
Earth
is
faces the sun.
sunlight where Earth
That part
faces
of
the
Earth
sun.
has daytime.
That part
The other
of
side has
Earth has
nighttime.
daytime. The
As
other
Earth
side
rotates,
has nighttime.
The part that
As
was
Earth
light turns away
rotates,
from the sun
the
and
part
gets
that
dark.
was light turns
That part
away
of Earth
from the
has
sun
nighttime.
and gets dark.
The
The
other
part
side
of
that was dark
Earth has
has
nighttime.
daytime.
The
This
other
pattern
side that
repeats
was
every
dark has
24
daytime.
hours.
This pattern repeats every 24 hours.
Unit 21. Solids, liquids, and gases. Everything in the world is made
Everything in
of
the
matter.
world is made of matter.
Air,
Water, and
book
this
are
book
all made
are
of
all
matter.
made of matter.
Matter has three forms.
Matter has three forms.
They are
solids,
liquids,
liquids,
and
and gases.
A solid is a hard object that can
A
be
solid
touched.
is a hard object that
Only
can
a
be
solid
touched.
has a shape of
Only a
its own.
solid has a shape of its own. Cars, books,
rocks, and ice
rocks,
are all
and
solids.
ice are all solids.
Water is a liquid.
Water is a liquid.
A liquid does not
A
have a
liquid
shape
does
of
not
its own.
have a shape of its
It takes
own.
the shape
It takes
of
the
its
shape of
container.
its container.
Juice, milk, and coke,
Juice,
are,
milk,
all
and coke
liquids.
are all liquids.
Air is made up
Air
of gases.
is made up of gases.
Like a liquid,
Like a liquid,
gas
a
does
gas
not have
does
its
not
own
have
shape.
its own shape.
it fills all of the space of
It
its container.
fills of It fills all of the space of each container. The air inside balloons, helium, and steam are all gases.
Unit 22. The water cycle.
Water can be a solid,
Water
a
can be a
liquid,
solid,
or
a
a gas.
liquid, or a gas.
When water gets
When
warm,
water gets warm, it changes into a gas.
The gas is called
The gas
water
is
vapor.
called water vapor.
When water
vapor.
vapor gets cool,
When
it
water
turns
vapor
back
gets
into water.
cool, it turns back into
Water
water.
can change
Water
into
can
a
change
solid
into a solid
when it
ice
freezes.
when it freezes.
This water cycle,
This water cycle makes
or
it
snow.
rain or snow.
The sun heats the water
The
in
sun
the
heats
oceans
the
and on
water
land.
in the oceans and
Some water
on
turns into water
land.
vapor.
Some water turns into
As
water
the water
vapor.
vapor
As
rises
the
into
water
the air,
vapor rises
the
into
temperature
the
gets
air,
colder.
the temperature gets
This
colder.
makes the water vapor
This makes the
turn
water
back into
vapor
water.
turn back into water.
The water gathers in the
The
sky
water gathers
in
in
the
the
form of
sky
clouds.
in form of
Eventually,
clouds.
the clouds
Eventually,
release
the
their water.
clouds release their
In
water.
warm weather,
In
the
warmer,
water
in
falls
warm
to
weather,
earth as rain.
the water falls to
In
earth
cold
as
weather,
rain.
the
In
water
cold weather,
falls as snow.
the water falls
Then
as
the
snow.
water cycle
Then the
begins
water
again.
cycle begins again.
Unit 23. Your body. Your body has many
Your
different
bod-
parts.
Your body has many different
your
parts.
parts work
All
together
your
to
parts
help you live.
work together to help you
Let's
live.
learn about
Let's
some
learn
of the
about the
systems
some
of your
of the
body.
systems of your body.
Bones are the
Bones
hard
are
body
the hard body
parts
parts
inside your body.
inside your body.
They connect each
They
body
connect
part
each
to one
body
another.
part to one another.
They hold your body up and give the body
They
its
hold
shape.
your body up and give the body
Bones also
its shape.
protect many important parts
Bones also
inside your
protect
body.
many important parts
There
inside your
are
body.
more than 200
There are
bones
more
inside
than
you.
200 bones inside you.
Altogether, they form your skeletal system.
Altogether, they form
Muscles
your
are body
skeletal
parts
system.
that make
Muscles
you move.
are body parts that
You
makes
use
you
muscles
move.
to walk, run,
use
and jump.
You use muscles to
You even
walk,
use your
run, and
muscles
jump.
to talk,
You even
eat,
use your
laugh,
muscles to
and
talk,
sing.
eat, laugh, and sing.
There are more than 600,
There are more than
muscles
600
inside
muscles inside you.
you. Your muscular system
Your
is
muscular
made up of these
system is
muscles.
made up of these muscles.
Unit 24. The systems of your body.
Let's learn more about the systems
Let's
of your
learn
body.
more about the systems of
You
your body.
breathe
You
using
breathe
your
using your
respiratory
respiratory system.
Your mouth and nose take in oxygen
Your mouth
from the
and
air.
nose taking oxygen from
Then
the air.
oxygen
Then the
goes
oxygen
into your
goes into your lungs
and moves through your
and moves
blood.
through your blood.
Blood
Blood
circulates,
circulates
in your body through your system.
circulatory system.
It is made up of
It
your
is
heart
made up of
and
your
blood
heart
vessels.
and blood vessels.
Your heart pumps
Your
blood
heart pumps
through blood
blo-
vessels.
Heart pumps
Blood
blood
vessels are
through
small
blood
tubes.
vessels. Blood
They
vessels
carry
are small
blood from your
tubes.
heart
They
to
carry
every
blood
part of
from
your
your
body.
heart to
Your
heart
body
to
gets
every
energy
part of
from
your
the
body.
food you eat.
Your body gets energy
When you
from the
eat,
food you
your
eat.
digestive
When you
system
eat, your
breaks down the
digestive
food.
system breaks down
This
the
lets your
food.
body
This
get
lets your
energy to do
body
things.
get energy to do things.
Unit 25. Shapes and figures. Can you name these shapes?
Can you name
A
these
shape
shapes?
with three
A
sides
shape
is
with
called a
three
triangle.
sides is called a
A
triangle.
rectangle,
A rectangle has
sides.
four sides.
A square,
A square has four
sides
sides
of
of equal length.
A circle is round.
A circle is
and
round
has no
and has no
sides.
sides.
These shapes are called
These shapes
flat
are
shapes
called flat
or
shapes
plain
or
figures.
plain figures.
A figure is a regular
A
shape.
figure is a regular
There are
shape.
many
There are
solid
many
shapes
solid
too.
shapes too.
A sphere is
A sphere is a
solid-shaped
solid
circle.
shaped circle.
A cube is a
A
solid-shaped
cube
square.
is a solid shaped square. Cones,
pyramids, and
pyramids,
cylinders
and
are
cylinders
also
are
solid
also
shapes.
solid shapes.
Everywhere you look,
Everywhere you
can
look,
see
you can
solid
see
shapes
solid
and
shapes
figures.
and figures.
They are in buildings and in
They are
everyday
in
objects.
buildings and in every object.
Look around your home,
home,
or school, for example.
for example.
What figures do
What
you see?
figures do you see?
Unit 26. What am I? Let me tell you about myself.
Let me tell
I
you
have
about
6
myself.
faces.
I have 6 faces.
A face is a flat
A
surface
face is
of a
a
solid
flat
figure.
surface of a solid figure.
So, I am
So
a solid
I am
figure.
a solid figure.
My faces intersect at
My
various
faces
points.
intersect at various points.
An edge is formed where
An
two of
edge
my
is
faces
formed
meet.
where two my faces
have
meet.
many
I have
edges.
many edges.
I have 12
I
of
have
them.
12 of them.
My faces also
My
meet at
faces
different
also meet at
vertices.
different vertices.
A vertex,
A vertex is a point where two or
edges
more
meet.
edges meet.
I have 8 vertices.
I have 8 vertices.
Now do you know
Now
what
do
I
you know
am?
what I am?
I'm a cube.
I am a cube.
Unit 27. Counting numbers. Let's count from 1
Let's
to
count
100.
from 1 to 100.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
4,
3, 4, 5,
6,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What about the next
What
10
about the
numbers?
next 10 numbers?
11, 12,
11,
13,
12,
14,
13,
15,
14, 15,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
16, 17, 18,
How do
19,
we count
20.
higher than
How do
20?
we count higher than 20?
First, we need to know
First-
these numbers. 30,
First, we
40,
need to
50,
we,
60,
we need to
70,
know these
80,
numbers.
and
30,
90.
40, 50, 60,
After these
70,
words,
80, and
just
90.
add a number from 1 to 9.
After these words, just add the
Now
number
you
from
can
1 to
count
9.
to 100.
Now
Let's
you can
practice
count to
counting by
100.
tens. 10, 20, 30, 40,
Let's
50,
practice counting by
60,
10s. 10,
70,
20, 30,
80,
40,
90.
50, 60, 70, 80.
Also,
Practice counting backward.
49,
49, 48, 47, and so on.
We sometimes use ordinal numbers.
We sometimes
We
use
use these
ordinal
numbers
numbers.
to tell
We
the
use
order
these
or
numbers
position
to
of
tell the
something.
order or position of
The
something.
first 10 are
The first 10 are first, second, third, fourth, fifth,
sixth,
sixth, seventh, eighth,
ninth,
ninth, and 10th.
except for first,
Except
second,
for
and
first,
third,
second, and third,
ordinal numbers,
ordinal numbers
end
end in
th.
th.
Unit 28. Comparing numbers.
Let's compare the
Let's
values
compare
of
the
numbers.
values of numbers.
On a number line,
On a number line, a
comes
number that
after
comes
another
after
number
another
is
number
always
is
one
always
more.
one more.
For example, 6
For example,
is 1 more
6
than
is
5.
1 more than 5.
So we can say,
So we can say 6 is greater than 5.
Or we can write it like this.
Or we can write it like
Six
this.
is
6
greater
is
than
greater
five.
than 5.
The sign,
The
greater,
sign
than
greater than
means is greater than.
Means is greater
On a
than.
number line,
On a number line, a
comes
number that
before
comes
another
before
number
another
is
number
always
is
one
always
less.
one less.
For example,
For
3
example,
is
3
1 less
is
than
1
4.
less than 4.
So we can say,
So we can
3
say 3 is less than 4.
Or 3
Or
is
3
less
is
than
less
4.
than 4.
The sign less than
The sign
means
less than
is
means
less than.
is less than.
Sometimes
Sometimes two numbers have the same value.
For example,
For example, 3 is equal to 3.
we can write it like this.
We can write it like
3
this.
equals
3 equals 3.
The sign equals
The
means
sign equals
is equal
means
to,
is equal
or
to
is
or
the same
is
as.
the same as.
Unit 29. Being a good writer. A good writer uses good grammar.
A good
and
writer uses
punctuation.
good grammar and punctuation.
Grammar is the
Grammar
rules
is the
of a
rules of a
language.
language.
When you write a sentence,
When you write a
use the
sentence,
correct
use
words
the correct words
expressions.
and expressions.
Also, use proper
Also, use
punctuation
proper
marks to show where
punctuation
the
marks to
sentence
show
stops.
where the sentence stops.
Here are a few
Here are
rules
a
for
few
writing.
rules for writing.
Capitalization.
Capitalization.
1. Use a
1.
capital
Use a
letter
capital letter
at the beginning of a sentence.
at the beginning of a sentence.
2.
2.
The word I is
The
always
word
a
I
capital
is always
letter.
a capital letter.
3. The names
3.
of
The
people
names
or
of
special
people
places
or
should
special
begin with a
places
capital
should
letter.
begin with a capital
4.
letter. 4.
Capitalize the names
Capitalize
of
the
the
names of the days of the
months,
week,
and
months,
holidays.
and holidays.
Punctuation.
Punctuation.
1.
1.
Use a period to end a sentence.
Use a period
2.
to end a sentence.
All questions
2.
need
All
a question
questions
mark.
need a question mark.
3.
3.
To show
To
surprise
show
or
surprise
excitement,
for excitement,
use
use
an
an exclamation point.
4.
4.
Use a comma
Use a
between
comma
each person,
between
place,
each person,
thing,
place,
or phrase
thing,
in a
or
list.
phrase in a list.
Unit 30. Writing friendly letters.
August 5th,
August 5th,
2010.
2010.
Dear Sarah,
Dear Sarah,
how are you doing?
how are you doing?
Everything is fine with me.
Everything is fine with
I am
me.
having a
I'm
great
having a
summer
great
with my
summer
family.
with my family.
We stayed at Palm Beach
We-
for 1 week.
We stayed
went
at Palm
swimming
Beach
and
for
fishing.
1 week. I went swimming
day,
and fishing.
we even
One day
did
we
some
even did
snorkeling.
some snorkeling.
How was your summer
How was
vacation
your summer
going?
vacation going?
School is going to begin in
School
2
is going
weeks.
to begin in 2
I'll
weeks.
see you in class
I'll
soon.
see you in class soon.
Yours truly,
Yours
Tom.
truly, Tom.
Unit 31. Aesop's Fables. A long time ago,
A long time
A
ago,
man lived
a
on
man
the Greek
lived on
island
the
of
Greek island
Samos.
of Samos.
his name was
His
Aesop,
name was
and he
Aesop,
was a
and
slave.
he was a slave.
But he was also a great
But he was
storyteller.
also a great
Aesop
storyteller.
often made up stories
Aesop
to
often
tell
made
people.
up stories to tell people.
His stories were
His
called
stories were called
fables.
fables.
A fable is a
A
short
fable
story
is a short
that
story that
teaches
teaches
people a lesson.
people a lesson.
Animals are often
Animals
the main
are
characters.
often the main
The animals
characters.
talk and
The
act
animals
like
talk
people.
and act like people.
At the end of the fable,
Aesop
Aesop
always tells the reader a lesson.
The lesson is called the
The
moral
lesson
of
is
the
called the
story.
moral of the story.
Aesop wrote
Aesop wrote many famous
fables.
fables.
The ant and the
The
grasshopper
ant and the
is one of
grasshopper
them.
is one of them.
The tortoise and the hare is
The
also very
tortoise
popular.
and the hare is always
Today, both young
also
and
very
old
popular.
people enjoy
Today,
reading
both young
Aesop's
and old
fables.
people enjoy reading Aesop's fables.
Unit 32. The ant and the grasshopper.
An ant and a
An
grasshopper
ant and a
once
grasshopper
lived in the
also
same
lived
field.
in the same field.
Every day,
Every
the
day,
ant worked
the
hard
ant worked
and
hard
gathered
and
food
gathered
for winter.
food for winter.
But the grasshopper,
the
just
grasshopper
played and sang all
Just
summer long.
played and sang all summer long.
Summer changed to fall, and the
Summer
weather
changed to
became
fall,
colder.
and the weather
The
became
ant started
colder.
working even
The
harder
ant
than
started
before.
working even harder
But
than
the
before.
grasshopper
But the
still
grasshopper
played
still
and
played
played.
and played.
One day, the first
One
snow
day, the
fell.
first snow fell.
The ant went
The
inside,
ant went inside
and ate a nice
nice
warm meal.
warm meal.
Meanwhile, the
Meanwhile,
grasshopper
the grasshopper
started
started
shivering from the cold.
shivering from the cold.
I'm cold and hungry.
I'm cold and
What shall
hungry.
I
What
do?"
shall I do?
he said.
He said.
When spring came, the weather
When
became
spring
warmer.
came, the weather became warmer.
So the ant
So
went
the
outside.
ant went outside.
But the ant never
But
saw
the
the
ant
grasshopper
never
again.
saw the grasshopper again.
Moral:
Moral:
Don't forget
Don't
to
forget
prepare for bad
to
times,
prepare for
even
bad
during
times,
good
even
times.
during good times.
Kinds of paintings.